What if everything you were told about human origins was wrong? What if we weren't created by natural evolution, but by an advanced alien race that needed workers for their cosmic mining operation? This is the story the ancient Sumerians carved into stone 6,000 years ago, and it might just be true. Long before the Bible, before any creation myth, the Sumerians recorded a very different story. In the Enuma Elish and other cuneiform texts, they describe beings called the Anunnaki, literally meaning those who came from heaven to earth. According to these tablets, the Anunnaki didn't come to earth as gods. They came as miners. They needed gold, not for jewelry or wealth, but to save their dying planet Nibiru by dispersing gold particles in their atmosphere. But here's where it gets interesting. After thousands of years of backbreaking labor, the Anunnaki workers rebelled. They demanded a solution, and that solution was us. Enter Enki, the Anunnaki scientist, and his half-sister Ninhursag, the geneticist. The tablets describe how they took the essence of the existing primitive humans, what we might call DNA, and mixed it with Anunnaki genetic material. The Sumerian text Atra-Hasis describes this process in remarkable detail. They speak of creating humans in a vessel, possibly describing artificial wombs. 14 attempts were made. The first 13 failed. The 14th succeeded. But here's what's truly shocking. They describe specific genetic modifications: enhanced strength for mining, shortened lifespans to prevent rebellion, and most importantly, limited consciousness. We were designed to be intelligent enough to work, but not intelligent enough to question our creators. The tablets even describe the location, the Abzu, which many researchers believe was in southern Africa, exactly where modern archaeology has found the world's oldest gold mines, dating back 200,000 years. Now, you might think this sounds like ancient fantasy, but consider this. Modern genetics tells us that all humans can be traced back to a single mitochondrial Eve who lived in Africa around 200,000 years ago, exactly when the Sumerian tablets say creation occurred. We share 96% of our DNA with chimpanzees, but that missing 4%? It appeared suddenly in the fossil record with no gradual evolutionary steps. Scientists call this the missing link problem. And here's something even more intriguing. Humans have 46 chromosomes. Our closest relatives, the great apes, have 48. It's as if two chromosomes were somehow fused together artificially. Recent archaeological discoveries in South Africa have uncovered massive ancient mining operations. The Mapungubwe site contains evidence of sophisticated gold extraction techniques that predate known human civilizations by tens of thousands of years. But the Sumerian tablets reveal something even more profound. They say the Anunnaki didn't just create us as workers. They created us as a hybrid species, part Anunnaki, part primitive Earth human. This explains why ancient texts from around the world describe gods who could interbreed with humans, creating giants and heroes. The Nephilim of the Bible, the Titans of Greek mythology, the Rakshasas of Hindu tradition. It also explains our unique psychological makeup. Unlike any other species on Earth, humans possess what researchers call cosmic consciousness, the ability to contemplate infinity, to create art, to question our own existence. Were we given a spark of Anunnaki consciousness? Are we living libraries of their genetic legacy? If this sounds impossible, consider what we're doing right now. CRISPR gene editing, designer babies, hybrid animal creation. We're literally doing what the tablets describe the Anunnaki doing 200,000 years ago. Some researchers believe this is no coincidence. that as we approach our Creator's level of technology, we're unconsciously following the same path they did, the student becoming the teacher. But here's the ultimate question. If the Anunnaki created us, where are they now? Did they return to Nibiru? Are they still here, hidden among us? Or are they waiting for us to reach technological maturity? The Sumerian tablets end with a promise. They say the Anunnaki will return when humanity is ready. When we've evolved beyond our programming as mere workers and remembered our true cosmic heritage. Recent NASA discoveries of Planet 9, a massive planet in the outer reaches of our solar system, have some researchers wondering, could this be Nibiru making its 3,600-year return orbit? The ancient texts say when the Anunnaki return, humanity will face a choice: remain as we are or evolve into something greater. The question is, are you ready for that choice? What do you think? Are we the product of ancient genetic engineering, or is this just elaborate mythology? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into these ancient mysteries, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week we're exploring the halls of Amenti and Thoth's secrets of immortality.